you all, it's me, Maya March, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see, I am about to transform this hair. Okay, from the part in the middle, I want to do triangles today. So I'm just going to do a slant to where it goes diagonal to this straight part. So probably more like this. Okay, so that's one. And then from here, we're gonna go up and then take it down to create that triangle. In total, I want 4, and then I'm gonna divide it to make it 8. I'm taking a rubber band to divide the sections so they don't get mixed. Okay. And then from here, we do one last triangle. I'm taking some Eco Styler gel mixed with some jam, and I'm putting that on my edge. So then you just pick what colors you want to like place, where you want to place them. I'm gonna place this green. Like, you don't even have to put the colors, you could just use black rubber bands. I just wanted to be colorful today. Okay, now I'm gonna put an orange rubber band, and the reason why I'm putting an orange rubber band back here is because I want it to go in the front, and you'll see what I'm saying. Be careful with rubber bands because they can pull your edges out. Ouch. Ow. Okay, so anyways, now I'm just gonna follow that part that I already have going in the middle through. I know you all probably prefer the voiceover more. It's just the fact that I want to get this video up, and then if I do the voiceover, it's gonna take so much longer with telling you guys what I'm doing. But you'll probably get a voiceover next time. Okay. And then once again, just putting a little Eco, a little cream, a curly cream, and I'm twisting it, pulling it over. So we swoop this up pretty good. I probably did this last time, but I don't care, you know. Pink and green is just so freaking cute. By me doing like hair tutorials, I really don't watch other hair tutorials unless it's like something new that I never did before. But don't you hate when you watching a tutorial, and let's just say like how I did the porting, and they go real fast, or they don't even show like a good glimpse of it. You really can't understand how they did their porting. To me, it's like, why would you make the video if you wasn't gonna be helpful? And then all you gotta do is now, well, all you have for a reference now is like the thumbnail. So now you just like looking at the thumbnail, trying your best to make it work. Y'all gotta do better. So if an influencer is watching this, can you please do better, and please do the parting right, the parts. Show how you achieve the parts. I mean, majority of ladies watch my videos, but I was just gonna say, y'all, we gotta be really safe out here. And I'm not even referring to like the sex trafficking stuff. I was just reading a case about a girl who didn't respond to this guy. Like, I think he was trying to, they called it catcalling. Basically trying to talk to her, and she totally ignored him, you know, because as a woman you thinking like, oh, okay, cool, maybe if I don't give him no response, he'll leave me alone. No, apparently he followed her in the garage and killed her, y'all. She was so beautiful. Sorry, my camera died. But anyways, she was a college student, and this just recently happened, I believe, and I just can't believe it. That like makes me so sad. I mean, obviously it's so many more things in this world, but what I'm saying is, it's just like, dang, you can't even be trying to do something good for yourself, have a bright future, and then all of a sudden somebody could just take that away from you. Just take it away because you don't want to be bothered. So all in all, ladies, be safe. We really all need to have some type of protection on us, something. And we all need to take self-defense classes too. This world is getting even more crazier. Or maybe it's just being more known now. I'm taking the first one and I'm just going to twist that and then put it over, and then I'm taking this one, I'm twisting it and putting it right here. Okay, now I'm just gonna put some of that gel and that Eco Styler, and I'm just gonna brush up my hair. Okay, now I'm taking some hair. I got this from Zuri, and this hair is like really soft. I love the Zuri. My sister don't like the Jamaican bounce, but she says she always liked the Zuri on me. I'm gonna do this one more time because I just want to make sure we have the technique down. So I'm just gonna grab one of my hair, it doesn't matter, and then we're gonna pull it apart. It gets so frizzy sometimes. Okay. So before you can put it in, you can cut out some of the frizz, and I just do like this, and it's just going straight down. You grab a piece like this. It's gonna come with the loop. So you get the loop, you get your what is it? Your crochet hook, and then find a spot in your head. Oh, let me just show you. The crochet hook comes with this, and then you can close it. Okay, so we're gonna open it. So you just find a spot to crochet. You see that? And what are we gonna do? Put the hair on the hook. You see it? And then close it and pull it through. And create a knot. Now you can do a knot with this, or you can just pull both of the hairs through. And there you go. And so right now we have like a curly ponytail, but this is not what we want. I want a top knot. You can stop here if you like. I'll show you how exactly it looks. Obviously I would still have to cut it because it has like some frizzy ends, but we're not stopping here. So let's get to pinning, because some of this hair is pretty long. So we just want to go like this, and you just want to shape it to your face. Okay, like this. You don't even want to try to shape that. So we are cutting that. And I really want some new music. So if somebody know the plug for like copyright free music, can y'all please let me know? Because I'm tired of using the same songs. So y'all probably tired of it too. Not even probably, I know y'all tired because I'm tired. But I keep getting copyrighted with every time I want to put in like a little hip song or something. Alrighty, Esther, thank you. Okay, ladies, I just got me some bronzer, bronzed myself up. I'm not really even going nowhere tonight. Wish I was, because now I feel all pretty and like a little mermaid or whatever. And it is warm where I'm at, if anybody got something to say. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any more tips or advice, make sure you comment down below. If you like this hairstyle, comment, let me know. If you would like to see more of styles like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share, and until later, you all. Bye.